Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus just launched few days ago. Fast refresh rate, all 4 sides, curved OLED display, super premium in design, flagship variable aperture camera sensor, huge battery, fast charging and many more. Today I am gonna show you unboxing and first impression of Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus, a camera-centric flagship phone. Hey guys, Maiky from Tech Maiky. Please consider subscribing, turning on the notification by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's now get to the unboxing. This is the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus box in black color. We remove the plastic covering from the box and open the lid. This first thing we see is the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus phone. Upon removing the plastic wrap, you will find that the phone is available in white and silver color options, with the white portion featuring a leather finish. Now let's take a look at the other content in the box. Inside this cardboard box, you will find a user manual and hard plastic clear case, which comes with the matte finish. Now let's talk about the design and build of the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus. It comes in a off-white color, with the top part being white and the bottom part in silver. There is a decorative black strip in the middle, which resembles the brushstroke and add a stunning touch. Additionally, there is a deep black color variant available, which looks quite attractive. The combination of these colors and the design elements make the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus a visually appealing device. Absolutely, the all black color option always exudes a timeless and beautiful aesthetics. Here, you get a combination of plain leather and a metal frame, providing a premium and luxurious feel. However, it's worth noting that the plain leather in the white may be more prone to getting dirty. So, opting for the black leather variant might be a practical choice. In the white color variant, the frame is made of metal and the bottom part features a silver color accent. It's interesting to observe that the dimension and the weight of the Huawei Mate 60 Pro and Pro Plus are almost identical. I have already uploaded an unboxing and a review video of the Huawei Mate 60 Pro. If you haven't had a chance to watch it yet, you can find in the link in the description below and in the card above. It's worth noting that the Huawei Mate 60 Pro and Mate 60 Pro Plus are very similar phones. However, the Mate 60 Pro Plus with its leather bag offers a better grip and making it comfortable to hold even with the single hand. You can see the both phones from the side and the appearance almost identical in terms of thickness as well. The phone boasts a curved display on all 4 sides at the front. For biometric security, the phone features an under the display fingerprint sensor, which is placed slightly lower on the screen. Additionally, it comes with a 3D depth sensing face unlock feature, ensuring quick and secure unlocking day or night. You can simply turn on the screen and use the face unlock feature to instantly unlock the phone. Now, one of the biggest difference between the Huawei Mate 60 Pro and Mate 60 Pro Plus lies in their camera setup. The Mate 60 Pro Plus boasts a 48 megapixel super concentrated main camera, a 40 megapixel ultra wide angle lens and a 48 megapixel telephoto macro lens. Both the main camera and the telephoto lens features a optical image stabilization, and the main camera offers a 3.5x optical zoom capability. The aperture on this phone ranges from the f1.4 to f4.0 and it's a variable aperture. It's worth noting that there are still updates pending for the photography improvements. For the detailed camera review, stay connected with our channel. Now talking about the performance. Both the Mate 60 Pro and Pro Plus are powered by same Kirin 9000S processor. However, the Mate 60 Pro Plus offers up to 16 GB of RAM, while the standard version on the both phone comes with the 12 GB of RAM. Both the phones come with the same display specifications and they run on the Harmony OS 4.0, which provides a smooth experience. The Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus has been optimized for gaming like King of Glory, and it's run smoothly with the stable frame rates. While not all the major games are optimized for this phone, it's expected to happen over time. You can also play other games on the highest setting without any issues. When it comes to the battery of the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus, you get a 5000 mAh capacity 88 watt fast charging. There is also a super feature where upon the plugging in the charger, holding the screen and trigger turbo charging, which can charge the battery to 43% in just 10 minutes and fully charge in just 33 minutes. So you indeed have the fast charging capability on this device. Friends, this was just a first impression video of this phone. I will be uploading a detailed review video soon, so stay connected with our channel. So what do you guys think about it? Tell us your thought in the comment section below if you have any questions. Also give this video a thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech video. Well, me signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.
And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe